What were the logistical challenges of the WWII Tokyo trials? Have you ever wondered what it took to bring justice after such a massive conflict like World War II? The Tokyo trials, officially known as the International Military Tribunal for the Far East, faced numerous logistical challenges that made the process quite complex. Let's break down some of these hurdles. One major issue was the language barrier. The trials involved multiple languages, including Japanese and English, but also Russian, Chinese, Dutch, German, French, and Mongolian. Unlike the Nuremberg trials, which had a well-organized interpreting system, the Tokyo trials primarily used consecutive interpreting. This slower method extended the trial's duration to over 2.5 years, compared to the 10 months it took in Nuremberg. The location of the trial also posed challenges. It was held in the former Japanese Ministry of War building in Ikegaya, Tokyo. This site was significant as it had been central to Japan's military command during the war. Organizing the courtroom layout to accommodate judges, prosecution teams, and defendants on separate floors created logistical difficulties that affected the flow of the proceedings. Gathering evidence and witness testimony was another hurdle. The prosecution needed to collect statements from thousands of witnesses across the vast Pacific region. This task was made more complicated by the destruction and chaos left in the war's aftermath. The trial had to address 3 categories of charges: crimes against peace, conventional war crimes, and crimes against humanity. This required extensive documentation and coordination among legal teams. Political and procedural issues added to the complexity. The Tokyo Charter, which outlined the tribunal's functions and procedures, reflected the challenges of prosecuting leaders from a defeated nation. Notably, the decision to exclude Emperor Hirohito from prosecution led to criticisms of victor's justice. This aspect influenced how the trial was perceived and its lasting legacy. The trial's length and the handling of sentences also contributed to a sense of incompleteness. Unlike Nuremberg, which conducted multiple subsequent trials, Tokyo held only one major trial. The early releases or sentence reductions of some convicted leaders created tensions with neighboring countries and raised questions about the fairness of the process. In summary, the Tokyo trials faced significant logistical challenges, including language interpretation issues, the complexities of the trial venue, difficulties in gathering evidence, and political constraints. These factors combined to make the Tokyo trials a lengthy and complicated process in the post-war effort to achieve justice for World War II crimes in the Pacific.